Okay, so quickly starting with what exactly it is that we do here at SlantRange. At our core, we are a software analytics company. We got started about 5 years ago, really leveraging our expertise in remote sensing and analytics, and of course applying it directly to agriculture. That's really where we spend most of our time, and I'll obviously talk about that quite a bit today. However, when we did get started, obviously you need some sensors to generate this data. We were focused on multispectral technology. We kind of did a survey of the market to see what was out there, and we had the expertise to build our own, so we made the decision to do that. So we also provide our own multispectral sensors. This happens to be the 3PX, which I'll talk about a bit more later as well. And then finally, I wanted to mention that we now offer some customized data services. So that includes things like generating custom algorithms for specific use cases, but we also now offer a specific service that basically generates all of the data products that I'll tell you about today, but tracks them against individual test plots. So it's really a service we developed, obviously specifically for research applications and test plots, where we do all the data processing in-house, so you can collect the data yourself, or we can go out and collect it for you. We process those results, and honestly, the deliverable is usually a spreadsheet of metrics across the test plots. And I can talk a little bit more about that as well, but that's at a high level what we do here.